Hello and welcome to Mathematics with D. We are going to be deriving this equation here from Homework 2, Problem 9. X to 5y equals y to the 6x. Wow, what a weird problem. We're going to be deriving this through the use of implicit differentiation, natural log, and the product rule. Yep, that's it, the product rule. Now let's begin. To make this easier, we can take the natural log of both sides. ln x to the 5y equals ln y to the 6x. Now, one of the rules with natural logs is that you can bring the exponent of what the natural log is being used on to the front of the function. Well, not the function, the equation. The expression, however you would like to say it. So we have 5y ln x equals 6x ln y. Now we can go ahead and derive each side with respect to x. So we're going to be using the product rule now, which means you take the derivative of the first value times the regular second value plus the derivative of the second value times the regular first value. So it's easier to explain if I were to demonstrate. So I'll just go ahead and begin. So I'll take the derivative of 5y, which would just be 5, but since it is y and we're taking it with respect to x, we're going to have dy over dx times ln x. We just leave the second value plus. Now we take the derivative of the second value, 1 over x times 5y. Now let's take the derivative of the other side. Do the same thing using the product rule. We've got take the derivative of 6x, we get 6 times, leave the second, ln y, plus leave the first, 6x times the derivative of the second, 1 over y, dy dx, because this is implicit differentiation. Now we're going to need to get the dy dx to one side of the equation so that we can solve for dy dx. We can do this in a multitude of ways. I'm just going to subtract 6x, 1 over y, dy dx from both sides, and subtract 1 over x, 5y from each side. So here we have 5 dy dx ln x minus 6x 1 over y dy dx equals 6 ln y minus 1 over x 5y. Let's factor out dy dx. Dy dx is 5 times 5 ln x minus 6x over y equals 6 ln y minus 1. Might as well go ahead, write this as a fraction, 5y over x. Check and make sure my mathematics is correct. Yes, it is correct. Now, we're going to get dy dx by itself, and we're going to do that by dividing both sides by 5 ln x minus 6x over y. We are left with dy dx equals 6 ln y minus 5y over x. All that over 5 ln x minus 6y. 6x over y. And that there is the derivative of this equation with respect, the derivative of y with respect to x in this equation. Thank you for joining me on Mathematics with D, and just to summarize what we did, we used implicit differentiation, natural logs, and product rule, and power rule. Alright. Tune in next time with mathematics with D.